Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Estes. For those who don't know me, I blog at themountainviewcottage.net where I share farmhouse-inspired DIY, decor, and organization videos. Today, I'm bringing you the very first of a several-part series called An Introduction to Furniture Painting. I'm super excited about this particular series because it is the #1 question that I get asked about on my blog, on social media, from my friends in real life, which is how to paint furniture. This can be super tricky. If you've never painted furniture before, you may not know what types of paint to use, what types of paintbrushes to use, the different tools that you can use to distress furniture, the different top coats that you can use to protect your furniture. There's so many things that go into painting furniture and making a piece that is beautiful as your end result. And there's a lot of little hiccups that you can kind of run into along the way that I'm hoping I can help you avoid. Or if you get to a point where you're struggling, I can kind of help you work through some of those struggle points in your furniture painting. So this series is going to dive into all of those things and so much more. We're going to talk about how to pick the right pieces of furniture, how to prep your furniture, all of it. So if you've ever wanted to paint furniture, but you've been hesitant to do it because you're not sure if you have the skills in order to paint furniture, rest assured by the time that you finish watching this entire series, you will have a lot more information about painting furniture and you will be so much closer to painting a beautiful piece of furniture to display in your homes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up and follow my page if you want to see more on this video series, An Introduction to Furniture Painting, along with so many other videos that I have already on my channel and in store for you in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to share all of my tips and tricks on furniture painting.